I mean, doesn't look like he's moving at all.
It's so annoying because it's so frequent, isn't it?
Mm.
You think, oh, we're getting to the vet. At least the vet's going to be able to see what's going on. And you couldn't make him do it once.
What's this?
Toast and cheese or something like that.
So when you breathe normally, this bit here moves.
Mm.
The same bit, it's a bit that's shaky.
Yeah, I see what you mean, actually.
Where are you going?
And then
Where are you going?
Right now.
listen to the breathe loudly. See? That's him breathing normally. Look.